May I audible? May I audible, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, only 15 students have joined. Attendance is very less. Why? 15 students. Okay, no issue. Okay. Advantages of DBMS. Who will tell the advantages of DBMS? Advantages of DBMS. Which are the advantage of DBMS? जल्दी से बताओ. Advantages of DBMS.
Data redundancy.
Data redundancy, but what? Reduce के maximize क्या? Data redundancy means duplication. तो duplication advantages है कि नहीं है? How you will write?
Advantages.
हाँ, advantage है, but what is the meaning of data redundancy? What is the meaning?
Reduce duplication.
Data redundancy मतलब duplication. So you have to add one more word before that. कि reduce data redundancy. Okay, what you have to write? What you have to tell? कि reduce data redundancy. Meaning of data redundancy मतलब क्या? Duplication. What is the meaning of data redundancy? Duplication. Okay. And DBMS क्या करता है? उसको reduce करता है. तो you have to write like that कि reduce the data redundancy. Okay. चलो next advantage क्या है? What is the next advantage?
Sharing of data.
Sharing of data. Then चलो बताओ.
Data integrity.
Yes, data integrity. And
Data integrity.
yes, or
Data security.
data security. Reducing data redundancy, data integrity, data security, or
Data consistency.
consistency. Yes, data consistency. Okay. Yes.
Backup and recover.
Yes, backup and recover. Very good. Okay. Okay. And which are the disadvantages of DBMS?
Cost, electric failure, trained staff.
Yes. Okay. So all are the disadvantages of DBMS. Yes. What is generalization? What is generalization? What is generalization, students? What is generalization? चलो बताओ मुझे. याद है किसी को? What is generalization?
The number of entities are brought together.
Sorry again. मुझे नहीं. I cannot hear. Again repeat. बोलो बोलो, मैंने सुना नहीं. Yes. रिपीट करो. कौन है? ज्योति. किसने आंसर दिया? What is generalization?
The number of entities are brought together
Yes.
into one generalized
Yes.
entity.
Yes. Okay. Based on which we can club or merge the entities. किसके बेस पे हम लोग करेंगे? किसके बेस पे करेंगे? The common properties. Okay, the common based on the common properties of all the classes. Okay, generalization. Very good. What is specialization? What is specialization? What is the
Is
specialization?
to generalization.
Group of entity divided into subgroup.
Yes, very good. Okay. Okay. चलो. Yes, याद है, मतलब सबको याद है, पढ़ते हो सब लोग. Yes, very good. Now next is और क्या था हमको? Generalization, specialization, inheritance. What is the inheritance? What is inheritance? चलो जल्दी जल्दी बताओ. May I audible, students?
A mechanism in which one class acquires the property of another class.
Yes, very good. Okay, but class, here we cannot use the word class. Here we can use the word entity. Okay, because we are talking about the entities, na DBMS we are learning. So you have to use word entity, table. Okay, table you can use or entity you can use. Class is not used. Okay, very good. Okay, chalo. What is database schema? What is database schema?
Overall structure.
Yes, overall structure of the database is called the database schema. Very good. Today's girls are very active. Good. Okay. Then instance, what is instance? Database instance.
Changes, modification.
Yes, changes and modification at particular or at a given time. Good. Okay. Yes, ऐसे आंसर चाहिए मुझे. Very good. Okay. What is normalization? What is normalization? Hmm? That we have covered in the last two lectures. Okay. What is normalization, students? What is normalization?
Process of organizing data into a relatable table.
Yes. Okay. Yes. What is key? What is keys? Hmm? What is keys? Key क्या है? And types of keys.
Ma'am, attribute that helps to identify row or table.
Uniquely identify.
Yes. Okay. Uniquely identify. Yes. Uniquely identify. Oh, to uniquely identify the records in the table, we have the keys. Okay. Yes. Types of keys. Types of keys. Which are the types of keys are there?
Primary key, candidate key, super key, and foreign key.
Yes. Very good. Okay. Okay. What is primary key? What is primary key? Yes, बताओ चलो what is primary key? Hmm. Primary keys are used to identify the records uniquely. Okay, मैंने आपको बोला था. Okay, every key have the same used. Okay, need to identify the records uniquely. But some conditions are there for the keys. For example, if we are talking about the primary key, so we can assign only one primary key to per table. Okay, we can assign only one primary key to one table. Okay, primary key must not be null. Okay, primary key null नहीं होना चाहिए. So that is a primary key. What is candidate key? What is a candidate key, student? Hmm? What is a candidate key? What is a candidate key? Yes, yes, be fast. What is candidate key? What is candidate key? Candidate key क्या है? Yes, Kohinoor. Yes. May I audible? Candidate key क्या है? Identify the tuples. Yes, but how you identify कि this is candidate key है? कैसे आप decide करोगे कि which are the candidates key? How you will decide कि which are the candidates key? Candidate key is an attribute you attribute your set of.
Common or combination of more columns.
No, that is called the super key. उसको क्या बोलते हैं? Super key बोलते हैं. Yes, set of attribute which can identify. Yes, अरुण. हाँ, बोलो.
Remaining attribute except for primary key.
Yes. Okay. Yes. Okay. Very good. what is the candidate key मतलब क्या? For any keys except the primary key. मतलब for example there are 4 keys in our table. So from that 4 keys we will make the one key as a primary key. So except the primary key, remaining keys are known as candidates key. Okay. Arun ने आंसर दिया set of attributes which identify the tuples. So every keys are used to identify the record set of attributes, but which attributes, which set? Okay, the except the primary key, the remaining keys are can be uh, set as a candidate key. We Pratap ने answer किया है candidate key is an attribute or set of attributes which can uniquely identify the type. Okay, set of attributes is a right, but which set of attribute की primary key छोड़ के? Okay, except the primary key, the set of attributes of keys, you can use word keys, आप word use कर सकते हो. Okay, तो उसको हम लोग बोलेंगे candidate key. And super key, the combination of key and known key attributes is called as super key. Okay, ये मैंने आपको एकदम easy language में बताया, तो you can remember like this. Primary key मतलब क्या? Primary key, there is only one primary key. Okay, per table. Primary key must not be null. The second is candidate key. Except the primary key, the remaining keys जो है that we can call as candidate key. And what is super key? So combination of candidate key plus known key attributes, or you can say the combination of key plus known key attributes called as super key set of. Okay, so that is a we have learned about the keys. Okay, next in the last lecture we have learned about the normalization. Okay, normalization में you give the answer. What is normalization? तो normalization मतलब क्या? To organize the data. Okay, or we can say to remove the anomalies. Okay, to remove the anomalies from the table we can use the normalization. Normalization is one type of process. Okay, normalization is one type of process. Okay, for this process we can use for organizing our data in the table, or you can say to remove the anomalies from the tables. Okay, or to keep the database in consistent mode. Okay, consistent mode में data करने के लिए we will use the normalization. So generally there are 4 steps: first normal form, second normal form, third normal form, and BCNF. Okay, that we have covered in the last lecture. We also seen the one example. Now today we will learn one more example. Okay, so you will get the clear idea what is normalization. Okay, wait, I am sharing the screen. Wait. Here, student, please write all the topics. Okay, whichever topic we have covered in the lecture, you have to write in your notebook. Okay, that is your assignment. I hope unit all of you have completed unit 1. Complete किया ना unit 1 सब लोगों ने assignment?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Questions? I hope question पता है. अगर नहीं पता है तो tell me, I will send the questions. Okay. Question में क्या होगा? जो topics हमने cover किया है, all the topics of unit 1. Okay. जो PPTs I will send to you in the Google Classroom. So topics जो है वो PPTs में से you can write. Okay, otherwise in your own words, in your own language में you will write, so be no issue. Wait, मेरा system I think hang हो गया. Wait, share हो रहा है. Wait, students, wait.